Right now, millions of families are working harder than ever before, yet still falling behind. Bills are rising, food is rising, housing is rising, and many households are beginning to realize something painful. A paycheck alone was never enough to create lasting wealth, because wealth was never just about income. It was about systems. For generations, powerful families quietly built structures behind the scenes: family meetings, trusts, insurance, ownership, circulation, and long-term planning. While most people were taught to survive week to week, they were taught to build for generations. And now, more families are beginning to ask an important question. What would happen if we finally built our own system? Not just for ourselves, but for our children, our future, and the generations that come after us. Tonight, we begin building the family bank. Most families are taught how to survive, but very few are taught how to build a system that protects the family, a system that teaches the children, a system that keeps money circulating inside the household instead of leaking out into the world. Wealthy families don't move randomly. They hold meetings, they create plans, they build structure, and tonight, we begin building the family bank. This is not just about money. This is about legacy. This is about ownership. This is about creating a financial foundation your bloodline can stand on long after you're gone. Welcome to the Family Bank Blueprint. Week 1 begins with the family meeting. Every dynasty begins with a conversation. Sit at the table together, no phones, no distractions, just vision. Talk about where the family is financially. Talk about the goals, talk about the mistakes, talk about the future. Most families never hold financial meetings, and because of that, every generation starts over from scratch. Wealthy families communicate differently. They operate like a team. Week 2, open the family bank account. This is the beginning of circulation, a separate account dedicated to emergencies, investments, opportunities, and legacy building. Even if the family starts with only $50 a week, structure matters more than amount. Systems create habits, and habits create wealth. The goal is not to impress people. The goal is to build stability quietly over time. Week 3 is protection. Build the emergency fund. Most families collapse financially because they never prepared for storms. Life will happen. Job loss, medical bills, car repairs, unexpected crises. Wealthy families survive differently because they prepare before disaster arrives. The emergency fund creates breathing room, and breathing room creates better decisions. Week 4. The first policy. Life insurance is not just about death. It is about preserving the family structure. Too many families lose homes, lose land, and lose stability because there was no protection plan in place. Wealthy families ensure the future. They understand that one unexpected moment can financially destroy generations if there is no system protecting the household. Week 5, build family credit. Credit is leverage, and leverage allows families to move faster. Teach the children what debt is. Teach them what interest is. Teach them how banks profit. Teach them how credit works. Financial literacy must become a normal conversation inside the household, because if the family does not teach money, the world will. Week 6, protect the assets. Too many people work their entire lives only for everything to disappear after one generation. Protect the property, protect the businesses, protect the policies, protect the savings, protect the investments. Ownership without protection is temporary. Wealthy families understand that keeping wealth is just as important as building it. Week 7, the family trust. This is where families stop thinking month to month and begin thinking generation to generation. Trusts help protect assets, avoid probate, organize inheritance, and preserve family wealth. The wealthy rarely move without structure. Structure is what keeps wealth alive long after the original builders are gone. And finally, Week 8, escaping probate. Probate is where many families lose time, money, privacy, and sometimes entire properties. Families who prepare early create smoother transitions for future generations. The goal is simple. Make sure the family is protected even when you are no longer here. The family bank is not a building. It is a mindset, a structure, a discipline, a family operating as one unit instead of disconnected individuals. Because when the family becomes organized, the future changes, and maybe for the first time in generations, the family stops surviving and finally begins building. If you're serious about building your family bank system, the link is in the description and pinned comment.